Hey everybody, in this short YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and use Temu application on your laptop or PC. Let's get started. So as you probably know, on your laptop or PC, you can easily use Temu website, but how to use their application on your PC? So all you need to do is just go to your browser and of course install an Android emulator. So in the internet there are many different emulators. For example, LD Player, I use it, BlueStacks, and so on. And I advise you to download LD Player. All you need to do is just type in the search box LD Player download or another Android emulator. Of course, go to their official website and just click on the download button. And after the installation, you'll find this icon on your desktop. Or you can go to the start menu and find this emulator right here in the search box. Just run it, double click on it, and now you can start using this virtual Android phone on your PC or laptop. So go to the System Apps folder and open up Play Store. Of course, you need to sign in or sign up if you haven't a Google account. And after that, just type in the search box Temu. Okay, here it is. Now we can easily install this application on our PC. Let's click on the install button. The application is already installed and now we can easily open it up. Now in your Android emulator you can find the Temu app, just run it. And now you can start using it, just sign up or sign in. So I really hope this video was clear for you and helpful. Please subscribe and like, and of course leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.